Do you like traveling by bus?
Yes, it's fun. I sit with my best friend.
Okay, let's start. Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Anna.
How old are you?
I am 8 years old.
In which class are you?
I am class 3.
Which school do you go to?
I go to St. Mary's School.
Do you like your school?
Yes, I love my school.
Why do you love your school?
Because I learn new things and I have many friends here.
How do you come to school every day?
I come to school by school bus.
Do you like traveling by bus?
Yes, it's fun. I sit with my best friend.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you do after wake up?
I brush my teeth, wash my face, take a bath and get ready.
Do you breakfast before going school?
Yes, I eat my breakfast with my brother.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat sandwich and drink milk.
That's very good. Do you help your parents at home?
Yes, I help my mom to set the table.
That's very good. What do you in school?
I study, read books and draw pictures and play.
What subjects do you study?
I study English, math, science, computer, and French.
What is your favorite subject?
I like English the most.
Why do you like English?
Because I enjoy reading and speaking English.
That's great. Do you like reading books?
Yes, I love reading storybook.
Can you name a story you read?
Yes, I read The Tortoise and the Hare.
Do you like the story?
Yes, it was fun and had a good lesson.
What was the lesson?
We should be being steady and never giving up.
Well said. Do you do your homework every day?
Yes, teacher. I always do my homework.
Who helps you with your homework?
Sometimes my father helps me.
What do you do after school?
I come home, eat lunch, rest a little, then do homework.
What game do you like to play?
like to play soccer and hide and seek.
Who do you play with?
I play with my friends and my brother.
That's fun. Now tell me, who's your best friend?
My best friend is Nancy.
What do you like Nancy?
She is kind, helpful, and make me laugh.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a pilot.
Why do you want to be pilot?
Because I want to fly planes and visit new countries.
That's a wonderful dream. What does your father do?
My father is Army officer.
And your mother?
My mother is a teacher.
Do you have any sibling?
Yes, I have one brother.
What time do you sleep at night?
I sleep at 9:30 o'clock.
Do you brush your teeth before bed?
Yes, I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Do you say your prayers before sleeping?
Yes, every night.
What is the first things do you do in the morning?
I thank God and then brush my teeth.
How many people are there in your family?
We are 4 people.
What do you do on weekends?
I play and watch movies and go to the park with my family.
What is your favorite food?
I like pizza and ice cream.
What is your favorite drink?
I like fruit juice.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What do you enjoy more, drawing or reading?
I enjoy both, but I like drawing more.
What do you draw usually?
I draw nature and wild animals.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love to listening pop music.
Do you like dancing too?
Yes, but little bit.
Do you use a computer at home?
Yes, sometimes for study and games.
What do you use your phone for?
I use it to watch cartoons and learn English.
You did a great job answering all questions.
Thank you, teacher.
Keep practicing English every day.
I will, teacher. I want to speak better.
You're already doing well. I am proud of you.
Thank you so much, teacher.
See you tomorrow.
Bye, teacher.
Please like and subscribe Easy English channel to get more educational video.